Hey everyone, today we are going to show you how to navigate and adapt to the significant changes that have hit YouTube ads. Google has been farewell to contextual targeting, including placement targeting, keyword targeting, and topic targeting. But don't worry, we've got a step-by-step guide to help you thrive in this new landscape. Let us start by understanding the big change in YouTube ads. Google has removed the ability to manually fine-tune your ad placements using keywords, topics, or specific channels and videos. Instead, Google is putting more faith in its AI and algorithms to find your ideal customers efficiently. While gathering initial data may be a bit challenging, it can lead to more profitable campaigns once Google algorithms kick in. The digital advertising shift is akin to the evolution of target CPA by Google. Initially less effective than max conversions, it became the preferred choice over time. It highlights the ever-changing nature of online marketing and the need for adaptability in digital advertising. To navigate this digital advertising transformation, let us dive into the practical steps for mastering new targeting options. These tools are different, so we will explore strategies to keep your campaigns ahead in this dynamic digital marketing landscape. The foundation of your new targeting strategy is demographic targeting. You can create audiences based on age, gender, parental status, household income, and specific attributes like college students or new parents. Geographic and language targeting options are also available within demographic targeting. Leveraging your own data is the next crucial step. Use past interactions with your business for custom segments, which includes powerful tools like remarketing and customer match targeting. These rely on first-party online and offline data such as email lists and phone numbers. Additionally, you can use similar segments to broaden your reach by targeting users with characteristics similar to your existing audiences. Let us roll up our sleeves and delve into the nitty-gritty details of practically implementing these innovative targeting options. To start, go to Tools and Settings for access to advanced targeting tools. You can explore them in the Audience Manager or integrate them directly into your campaign setup, offering flexibility to match your unique workflow and a user-centric approach to enhance your digital marketing toolkit. In the People section of your campaign settings, you can create a new audience. This is where you will find all the available targeting options, including demographic and interest-based targeting like in-market and affinity audiences. If precision targeting is your goal, custom segments based on keywords will be your go-to solution, ensuring your ads reach the right audience with specific intent. To gauge the success of your YouTube ad campaigns, it is vital to set up conversion tracking. This is your compass for measuring the performance of your ads and determining whether your ad spend is delivering a solid return on investment. That is for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video, where I will introduce to you how to set up YouTube ads conversion tracking. Thank you for watching, and I would love to see you onto the next video.